All right. So what am I doing? I don't know. I'm outside taking care of two things at once. I'm writing another book, of course, and I'm working on some other stuff for my movie. But y'all don't want to hear that. You want to hear the other thing I'm doing, right? Okay. Well, I'm going to introduce you to some music. And the name of this program is called Bumfuzzled because I'm bumfuzzled as to why these musicians aren't more recognized, better recognized. Okay. Um, I heard some of these people when I was working on my Body and Soul audiobook. The music you're hearing right now is going to be featured on another program, so I'm going to just fade that out. Okay. Now, some of these musicians, they let you use their music for free right there on YouTube. Okay, so you can do it anytime you want, and they do it for the sake of art, just for people who want to put their videos on and have some background music. Well, that's what they're there for. Okay, so I do need one of these musicians. His name is Jody Mayfield. He is all talented jazz musician from Atlanta, Georgia. Yep, where he teaches at the Morris Brown. Morris Brown? Yeah, the Morris Brown College out there in Atlanta, right there in that square where you have all those colleges together. Right, he's at the Morris Brown College and he teaches music there. He's performed with such musicians as Dizzy Gillespie, Sarah Vaughan, Jermaine Dupri, and Organized Noise. Yeah, let's see. Let's sample something from his latest project, Doing the Do, which has received critical acclaim, but not that socket to me. Yeah. So let's get back, sit back, let's hear a little sample of Jody's music. Yeah, that's some nice stuff. So now you know what I'm talking about. That's a little track from his album, available on the iTunes store. Is that what you call it? The iTunes store. Okay. Just think, if you go out right now and you get yourself some Jody Mayfield, all your friends in your little group will thank you for bringing a little Jody into their lives. The second sample was called Summer Rain. But I'm going to go a little old school on you right now. In my FM voice, Jody wrote and produced this song a few years ago. I dig it and I know you will too. Sock it to me. Okay, Jody Mayfield, What Love Is Supposed to Be, from the album Soul Sanctuary. Vocaling, featuring vocalist G. Wright.
What love's supposed to be. No need to fear, 'cause my love is here. You can search high, you can search real low. No one can tell you, 'cause you already know. I love your heart, I love your soul. I'll never let you go. Trust me, you'll see what love's supposed to be. No need to fear, 'cause my love is here. Just shake off your old past. I'm telling you, you can live at last. Here's a fresh start, it's a brand new day. is power in every word I say. There is peace beyond understanding. Let me peel away every doubt from your heart so you can truly see. There's no need to fear, 'cause my love is here. There's no need to fear, 'cause my love is here.
Okay, there you go. Jody Mayfield, What Love Is Supposed to Be. And that was featuring vocalist that was featuring vocalist G. Right. I got to get my shit together right here. Okay. From the album Soul Sanctuary, available on iTunes. All right, now let's change lanes and let's hear some old school hip hop. All right? A little nice, quaint, and wholesome tune. Yeah. No, I'm not going there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm just kidding. Now, the next song was released about 5 years ago and on YouTube by the No Copyright Sounds. Have you ever heard of them? No Copyright Sound? That means that they let you use their music on YouTube. This is a UK-based record label. Like all of the artists, somebody's passing by. Here's a neighbor passing by. Yep, it's a nice sunny day. Yeah. Okay, like all the artists featured on Bumfuzzled, most of you probably never heard of these two before, Rival and Cadmium, aka to their families, Valentine and Alex. Their website is no longer available, but last time I was on there, I saw that they work as a team in audio mixing, mastering, production, vocal processing, all that stuff. They do it together. And during their downtime, they spend it writing songs like this. Seasons, featuring vocalist Harley Bird. Harley Bird.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Just like another season.
All right. That's my first show, and I hope you liked it. Hit subscribe below so that you'll see, so that you'll be alerted as to when the next one's coming up in the next couple weeks. I'm going to sign out with the NPR hit of the day. So a little Korean hip hop, What You Doing Later by Park Hae-jin. And I'll see y'all later next time. Okay? Yeah. Peace.
Oh my god, I'm dumb as shit. What you doing later? 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 너 앞에선 항상 바보처럼 굳어버려. 너도 이쯤이면 눈치챘겠지. 내가 겉보기와는 다르게 속은 정말 여리게. 뭐라 할지 답장만 몇 시간을 고민해. 다음번에 what you doing later? 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 내게 먼저 연락하고 싶어 하나 어머 익숙하지 않아 이걸 어쩌지 나도 몰라 이미 너의 스토리를 들어가 여기 내 옆번에 What up? What you doing later? 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 What you doing later?
Are you here, Harley? Harley bird.